The first thing you'll notice about the SHS-3T2 is its multifunctional mounting options. This compact and versatile speaker assembly can be installed in ceiling, on wall, on pendant, or pole mounted, while looking great in any architectural environment. Designed with a single full-range driver and an adaptive dispersion lens technology, this compact SHS model offers quality audio for paging, background music, or sound masking applications. Additionally, when used with an AtlasIED Z-Series high-definition acoustical system, the speakers can be connected using Cat5e cable. Not only do integrators appreciate the SHS for their form and function, but architects and designers love the SHS family of speakers because they provide great sound for any location while maintaining the integrity of beautiful design. While this model is unique in that it is available in black or white, it and all SHS speakers can be customized to match any environment or ceiling aesthetic through the AtlasIED Design Lab process. Reach out for a demo or more information today.